everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Birchbox, and we've got a little box this time. Normally we get a drawer, although now and again they do switch things up, and we had a reusable little pouch last month. As always, if you're new to Birchbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in their May box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This is Birchbox UK, and they only ship within the UK. It's a monthly beauty subscription box, and the cost of the box is £12.95, and that includes shipping. Inside you'll receive 5 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and body care as well, and sometimes we get the added makeup too, like makeup brush, etc. And all the products that you find in their boxes you can find on their website, because as well as running subscription boxes, they do have an online store, and when you first subscribe you automatically receive 10% off any purchases. But then if you subscribe for 6 months or more, you become a VIP and you are entitled to 15% off any purchases. As well as the products on their website, they do offer one-off limited edition boxes, and there's quite a few up there at the moment. So if you're interested in taking a look, I'll pop them down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. They offer a monthly rolling subscription where you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. Now Birchbox is one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest, subscription boxes in the UK. It's been running for years and years and years, and it's the very first subscription that I ever took out 5, 6 years ago maybe, I can't remember now, way before I started YouTube anyway. Since then, more and more subscription boxes have been coming on the scene, and you might think, okay then, so what separates Birchbox to the others? In all honesty, not much. Some months are better than others, but the products inside the boxes tend to be sample sizes or little travels. We don't very often get full-size products. They want to provide you with a little treat every month in a bag or a box, and also if you really love those products inside the box, then you can go onto their website and purchase the full size. Now that hasn't changed since I subscribed to them many years ago, but ultimately it all boils down to the products, whether you think it's good value for money. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. Oh, there's one thing I keep on forgetting to mention. They have an edit, so they bring out an edit every month. At the start of the month, if you go onto their website, you click on subscribe, you get to see the products that are going to be featured inside that month's box. Now we don't receive them all, we'll receive 5 of them. Everyone will receive about 2 or 3 of the products, but a couple will be different. So you might watch this video and you think, oh, that is an amazing box, I want it, I'm going to subscribe, but there is a chance that you might not receive exactly the same as me. But yeah, I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or you want to ask any more questions, then please comment down below. But yeah, let's get on to showing you what's inside my box. There's a new limited edition box come in, and it's a Birchbox X Scamp and Dude, a limited edition for mum and baby. Oh, it's launching this month, but it hasn't got a date on it. Those are all the products inside my box with a little theme here. It says, hello Birchbox, life isn't about moving to the beat of somebody else's drum. It's about being authentically you and never comparing yourself to others. With your music inspired May Birchbox, we're encouraging you to find your unique beat. Turn up the volume and dance to your own rhythm. Keep an eye on your inbox and our social media to discover the toe-tapping surprises we've lined up for you. Usually they give you a sneak peek for the following month, but there's nothing on there, so I can't tell you. I'll give you a little sneak peek there. So I'll go through it one by one, showing you what's inside. First up, we got a product by Palmer's, and this is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. This is a repairing conditioner for dry, damaged and colour treated hair, formulated with ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oils, no gluten, no dyes, and there's 50 mils here. This is a little travel, and the recommended retail price for the full size is £4.49. The creamy rich formula instantly detangles and coats strands for silkier, shinier, easier to manage hair. Now there's no shampoo in this box, and that's one thing that really annoys me. Well, it doesn't really annoy me. I don't get angry, but it's just like, It disappoints me then, because I would love to try the shampoo to go with this so I can try them both together. I don't know about you, but I don't really switch my shampoos and conditioners up. I usually tend to go for the same brand whenever I'm trying things. So that, yeah, that's one of my little bugbears in subscription boxes, is if you're going to put a shampoo, then put a conditioner in as well, even if it's just like a sachet sample or something, you know, just so that you can have an idea of what they are like together. Got a product by Neobay, and this is Detox Unpolluted Illuminating Micellar Water, aloe vera, green tea, raspberry, lemon and sage. And we've got 50 mils here. Now that sounds absolutely gorgeous. And I'm wondering if I've had this before. I've tried a Neobay micellar water before, but I don't know if I've tried this one. Oh, it's raspberry. That's what I can smell. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. This is a little sample, mini size. To buy the full size, it'll cost you £16. Formulated for all skin types, this micellar water removes sebum and makeup. Star ingredients, sage and aloe vera soothe, while lemon imparts an even tone to your skin. To top it off, raspberry and green tea protect the skin from environmental damage thanks to their antioxidant properties. Neobay is cruelty-free, vegan and EcoCert certified. I'm sure it's the same one that I've tried before. Next, we got something really heavy. This is by KNDR Beauty, KNDR Beauty. This is an eyeshadow cream. Sealed for freshness, made with love, it says here. And it's in Proud Pink. I'll just open it up and show you. Okay. I don't know why I'm sniffing. Don't know why I'm sniffing. It's an eyeshadow. That's a lovely colour. That is a lovely shade there. Right, got a... Ooh. Oh, it's nice. It's like a cross between a lip balm and a mousse. Let's try a little bit on my hand there. Got to be careful. My nails don't dig in there. Oh, is it for your lips? It says eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. There is nothing there. It's just very, very subtle. It feels gorgeous. It feels really nice. How odd. How odd. You can't really see it. If you are a subscriber to Birchbox and you've received yours, please let me know what you think of this item in your box, because I'm sure everyone will be receiving one of these. This is a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £18. This pink-toned cream shadow enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E boasts a flexible, buildable formula with intense colour payoff. No, the crease-proof cream goes on smoothly and blends effortlessly with a brush or the tip of your finger. It is a gorgeous cream. It feels gorgeous, but there's nothing there. It just disappears. It's just leaving a slight sort of sheen to my hand. Very, very odd. So we've got a nice shadow there. Next, we've got a little sample of something. This is by the brand Arrow, and we've got a nourishing lip oil, and there's 3 mils here. I'll just try a little bit on my hand. It's not as liquidy as an oil, but yeah, it's more like a gloss. This is a little sample. To buy the full size, it will cost you £13. This lip oil adds moisture to your lips and actually locks it in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil and shea butter. Apply to lips whenever they need an extra dose of hydration. Yeah, it is nice. It is nice. And then lastly, we've got an actual Birchbox item, and it's a nail file. And a couple of months ago we got a Birchbox mirror, and now we've got a rather large, look how big that is, look, that is really long, a little nail file with Birchbox written on it in its own little pouch. Oh, it's a nice one. That is really nice. God, I don't think I've ever owned anything so long. I got gel nails at the moment, so I won't be using it. It'll always come in handy for when I can't go to the salon, or if nail chips or something like that. Yeah. So this is a full-size product, so that's 2 full-size items this month, and the recommended retail price is £15. This is a crystal nail file, which is much gentler than regular nail files. This firm but smooth glass file is the key to perfect DIY manis. Basically, the superfine sanded grit will create a smooth, clean, sealed edge rather than a torn, jagged edge, meaning your nails will be in tip-top shape and your mani won't chip as easily. Winner. We've got nail files. So those are all the products inside the box. I'll just gather them all up and I'll be back. We have got a Birchbox nail file. We've got micellar water, we've got a lip oil, we've got a hair conditioner, and we've got a cream eyeshadow. The cost of the box is £12.95, including shipping. Now I can't add up the actual samples or the little minis, but the two full-size items, which are the eyeshadow and the nail file, come in at £33. It's so well above the cost of the actual box, but is it worth it? In all honesty, out of everything, the nail file and the eyeshadow are the products that I'm not that fussed about. The eyeshadow, as you saw, it didn't show up on my hand whatsoever. It was more like a very subtle tinted like lip balm. That's what it looked like on my skin. I think it's an okay box this month. It's just a bit of a letdown with this eyeshadow. There's no way I would pay £18 for it. Unless I got a dud. I'd love to hear your thoughts if you've received one though. Please let me know what you think. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts, even if you're not a subscriber. What do you think of this subscription? Are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.